Hello to all the viewers of Hrvatska Pjesma for Origin. I'm your host Ado and I'll be hosting this edition. Hrvatska wanted to do something different, so they selected an Origin Song Contest participant and fan, aka me. Tonight's 24 acts are going to be allocated into the semi-finals, and we will hear a short snippet from each song, so I advise all of you to listen carefully and try to identify the songs. So without any further ado, I hope you enjoy the show and let's begin.
How it seems, stuck in this bottle, think we ought to.
But it's not me, I swear I did. It must be
nikad nije bilo to.
like I'm reaching for the stars. Su noći duge danka ja onu pjesmu novi. We will never heed the poison.
If you're singing, I know she'll know some converse. Keep it nice and slow.
About their plans and goals, just to fit in.
Trebam ništa, samo